not going playing overseas, but I'll try my best. I told them I want to play in the PNC, get a test match again with the Flying Pigeon, and then I can get a contract in overseas.
And how rugby has changed in your career, in your journey?
Yeah, it really changes me a lot. I mean, to be a good person and discipline-wise, and I thank God for everything.
Apart from rugby, what are you doing?
I'm a police officer at Singatoka, but this is like a big task for me to be into the team.
Just tell us about some of the struggles that you've been through in terms of your preparations to it. So.
Yeah, it was a big struggle for me from getting into Warriors and then coming into the Flying Pigeon. But just have to train hard. You know, everything comes good when you train hard and been believing it.